Narrator, hey there. Are you tired of spending countless hours scrolling through YouTube? Well, I'm here to introduce you to something that could change your whole YouTube experience, YouTube automation. Buckle up, because this is going to be wild. First off, let me clarify what we mean by automation. It's like having a personal assistant who takes care of your daily tasks, only on YouTube. But here's where it gets weird now. Imagine you have a magic remote that can pause and rewind any YouTube video without you lifting a finger. That's one aspect of automation, speeding up or slowing down the video based on how fast or slow you want to watch it. It's perfect for learning a new skill like cooking or fixing your car at a pace that suits you. But wait, there's more. Automation also helps with organizing your videos into playlists, so you can easily find the content you love without having to search through endless channels. And if you want to skip those annoying ads, it does that too. This is like having a personal butler for all things YouTube. Let's break this down further. Automation allows you to create custom playlists, so your favorite videos are always at your fingertips. It also learns from your preferences and suggests new content that aligns with your interests. And here's the best part, it does all of this for you. So what do you think? Would you trust an AI system with your daily tasks, even on YouTube? Let us know in the comments below. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of YouTube automation and explore how AI agents can make your life easier, check out our video next week's. Or if you want more tech breakdowns like this one, subscribe to our channel now for weekly updates. Stay curious, my friends.